Hello students, today we'll learn about shapes of orbitals from atomic structure and crystal structure of NaCl solid from ionic bonded compounds using the models, ball and stick models and space filling models used in the chemistry for explanation of the structures and shapes of orbitals as well as the crystals. So here totally, for the three first energy levels in the atoms K, L, M, there are three types of the orbitals S, P, and D. S orbital has spherical shape known as a sharp orbital. It has no orientation, that is one orientation along X, Y, Z, that is having spherical structure. For that, K is equal to 1, that is first energy level N is equal to 1, L is equal to 0, M is equal to 0, and 2 electrons with plus half minus half spins. The p orbitals should have three orientations in the second energy level px, py, and pz according to quantum numbers. N is equal to 2 means L, that is L is equal to small l is equal to 0, orbital quantum number 1 and minus 1, x, y, z orientation. For M is equal to 3, and again each orbital contains plus half minus half spins to 2 electrons. Then next energy level contains d orbital, that is N is equal to 3 for M shell. Orbitals are dxy, yz, and dxz having lobes in between axis, xyz axis, and the remaining two orbitals dx2, y2, dz2 have the lobes on the axis dz2 and dx2, y2 orbitals. Again for that quantum numbers L is equal to 2, M plus 2 to minus 2, and S plus half minus half for each two electrons in each orbital. And NaCl crystal, we know that having cubic closed packing, that is FCC crystal structure, contains 13 Na plus and 14 Cl minus ions. So here this unit cell consists of the three layers, top to bottom, horizontally and vertically, left to right. And this unit cell, all these orbital shapes and crystal structure of unit cell of NaCl can be represented with the ball stick model as well as the space filling model. So let's study first the shapes of the orbitals. So this is the shape of the S orbital. This is a space filling model. It has no orientation along x, y, z axis. It is spherical shaped S orbital. How the p orbital will look? It is having dumbbell shaped, that electrons revolves top and bottom of these two lobes. It is never present in this middle lobe. Electron is always revolving around top and bottom lobes, that is plus half psi and minus half psi, means plus psi orientation and minus psi orientation for the wave function of electron. So if this p orbital is present along x-axis, is it px orbital. If it having the y direction, it is py orbital. If it has top to bottom direction for the lobes along z axis, it is pz orbital. So this is px, this is py, and pz orbital looks like this according to the space filling model. Then d orbitals have four lobes. I am holding in the hand the four lobes of the d orbital. If the lobes are in between axes, the orbitals are dxy, dyz, and dxz. If that lobes are on the axis, the orbitals are dx2, y2. If the four lobes of this d orbital are only on one axis, that is z axis, look here, middle lobe is a ring, top and bottom lobes are there for dz2 orbital. Here the orbital is dz2 orbital. Total four lobes are on one axis, that is z axis. So this orbital have this type of the space filling structure, that is dz2 orbitals. Now we'll study the crystal structure using ball stick model. So here NaCl structure looks like this. It has FCC unit cell, and this FCC unit cell of the NaCl contain 13 Na plus and 14 Cl minus ions, and this unit cell is having three planes. Look here, from left to right and from top to bottom, three layers of the or layers of the ions are there. Here the yellow colors are for the alternate ions, red color for the alternate ions. Red colored ions are the chloride ions with big sizes, yellow color ions are the sodium ions with smaller sizes. So in this way this arrangement is there as represented in the paper structure. Look here, the paper structure. represents the NaCl's crystal structure. Here the model explains the NaCl structure. This model is ballistic model for the FCC units of the NaCl. So in this way we can study using the space filling models or ballistic models, the shapes of orbitals and crystal structures of ionic solids.